El Regalo, the gift. Sharing the gift of language and culture through Community Craft Workshop Series. In early 2020, the UIC Center for Literacy's Family Start program participated in a Community Craft Workshop Series called El Regalo, the gift, designed to highlight the gifts of language, culture, and community shared between parents and children. Over 30 families from the Back of the Yards neighborhood attended. Many of the participants were also adult education students studying English or GED high school equivalency in the Family Start Learning and Support Program under the UIC Center for Literacy. The 4-workshop series took place on Tuesday evenings between January and March 2020 at the UIC Family Start Bilingual Literacy Program located at San Miguel School and La Escuelita del Barrio in Arturo Velázquez Institute, part of Daly College. Families learned arts techniques with strong roots in Latin America, such as repujado, relief making, by pushing on thin sheets of metal, and granos, making intricate mosaics with beans and grains. Younger participants also explored their roots through cultural play, such as hand-making tortillas and salsa, using stone tools such as the metate and molcajete. The workshop series arose from a partnership between the UIC Center for Literacy and MECA, Movimiento para la Educación Cultural y Autónoma, Movement for Cultural and Autonomous Education, and a desire to provide intentional family programming that honored participants' language, culture, and ancestral knowledge. While we were not able to host our final exhibition due to the global pandemic COVID-19, we know seeds were planted. The popularity of the program shows the clear need for more quality, culturally sustaining family programming. The UIC Center for Literacy is committed to embrace and support family as the foundation of learning. Connect with us to learn more about our work at our Facebook page at Fast Southwest and our Center for Literacy website. Thank you to our partners, Chicago Department of Family and Support Services, MECA, Movimiento para la Educación Cultural y Autónoma, Son Chiquitos, La Escuelita del Barrio, Raíces en Mi Comunidad High School Service Project, Pedro León and the Back of the Yards Library, Arturo Velázquez Institute, San Miguel School, and last but not least, our amazing students, staff, and AmeriCorps volunteers.